Let's expose the biggest lie young people are told when they come of age. Money doesn't grow on trees. It all starts in school, where we're conditioned to follow the traditional path of getting a job and a mortgage, working tirelessly until we retire at 67, and eventually meet our demise. But here's the truth. That's not how I make over $60,000 every week. You're gonna learn how I do it in this video, so be sure to stay tuned. You see, there's a different game at play here, and it's not about landing a high-paid job or starting a side hustle. It's about passive income. The key to making money without being tied to a daily grind. I've got 7 game-changing ideas that you need to consider, each with my own ratings, 1 being the best and 5 being the worst. Let's get into it. This is more than just a simple buy and sell game for passive income. Sure, you can make money if stock values rise, but that means selling your stocks, which isn't truly passive. For genuine passive income, look no further than dividend stocks. These are shares of companies like Starbucks, Pepsi, and McDonald's that pay you a portion of their profits directly into your bank account. With dividend stocks, you earn consistent money without lifting a finger, and you also benefit from potential stock value growth. To make it easier for comparison, let's rate the ideas in 3 categories. First, time investment gets a 1 out of 5. Just download an investing app, deposit some money, and buy dividend stocks. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but some recommended apps are Moomoo for the USA and Lightyear for the UK and Europe. Check the description for more details on free stock offers. Next, financial investment gets a 5 out of 5. Setting up is quick, but significant income requires a substantial investment. Finally, making $100 per week earns a 5 out of 5 rating. With 52 weeks in a year, you need to invest around $216,666 in a stock like Starbucks, which currently has a 2.4% annual dividend to reach that goal. But don't worry if you're just starting out. I've got another idea coming up for you that doesn't rely on initial capital. Loads of people don't know the difference between a regular job and an automated side hustle. The key lies in using the power of the internet to transform your side hustle into a highly passive income stream that can generate substantial wealth. So, how can you transition from having a valuable skill to building an automated side hustle? Here are the steps to follow. 1. Identify your area of expertise or passion. It's important to focus on something you're actually good at or have an unfair advantage in. 2. Create a digital asset related to your expertise. This could be a blog, an ebook, an online course, or any other form of digital content that can provide value to others. 3. Use an all-in-one platform like Hostinger to bring your digital asset online. Hostinger offers hosting, website building, and domain name services, making it easy to establish your online presence. 4. Promote your digital product or content on social media platforms. Use effective marketing strategies like creating engaging posts or videos to attract your target audience. Now, let's look at the time investment required for automating a side hustle. If you're doing it all on your own, I'd rate it as a 5 out of 5, as building a digital product and creating a website can take time. But if you choose to use tools like Hostinger, I'd give it a 3 out of 5, as the AI website builder and designer-made templates eliminate the need for technical or design skills. When it comes to the financial investment, I'd rate it as a 1 out of 5. This passive income idea revolves more around investing your time than your money. Depending on the type of digital products you're creating, you can develop it using programs like Canva on your laptop. Lastly, let's address the burning question on everyone's mind. How easy is it to make $100 per week? I'd give it a 1 out of 5, because once you're up and running, let's say you price your digital product at $25, you only need to make 4 sales a week to reach $100. Creating online content has revolutionized the media landscape, giving people the power to tap into the previously guarded money pot. Advertising on online platforms like YouTube offers trackable and effective methods to generate revenue. But success in content creation needs more than just luck. To monetize your online content, you can start by creating a YouTube channel. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and get 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from advertisements on your videos. But it's important to produce high quality content that aligns with the algorithm and captures viewers' attention. Content creation can be time consuming, so I would give it a 5 out of 5 rating in terms of time investment. But the rewards can be significant, as the harder something is to do, the less competition you'll have. Financially, content creation requires minimal investment with a 1 out of 5 rating, as the focus should be on honing your skills and creativity rather than buying expensive equipment or courses. Making $100 a week through online content creation is achievable, but might need some time and effort. With consistent production, engagement, and quality content, it's possible to pass that milestone and generate a good income. There are two main types of private investing: angels and sharks. Angels usually invest in businesses run by friends or family and often have limited financial resources. They are seen as more forgiving and may not seek controlling interests. Sharks, on the other hand, may invest larger amounts and look for controlling interests to leverage their expertise and maximize profitability. The choice between being an angel or a shark depends on your investment strategy and risk tolerance. So, how much time does private investing take? It can take a while to find a business worth investing in, so I'd rate it 2.5 out of 5. Don't rush into anything. Take your time and carefully consider the potential for future success. Now, how much money do you need? It depends on the business, so I'd rate it 3 out of 5. The earlier you invest, the less you'll need, but it also means taking on more risk. You have to decide how much risk you're comfortable with. But is it easy to make $100 a week? I'd rate it 2 out of 5. It depends on your negotiation skills and investment amount. So now let's imagine a scenario where a popular online retailer runs a special promotion. They offer a deal where if someone uses your referral link to sign up and make a purchase, both you and the person signing up get a discount or a cash reward. Sounds pretty exciting, right? Well, let's say you share your referral link with your friends. They discover that by using your link, they can save money or get some freebies. Now they start signing up one after another. Before you know it, you've reached the maximum number of referrals allowed. This type of marketing is known as affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about the time commitment. Starting with affiliate marketing earns a 3.5 out of 5 rating in terms of time. It's not an instant success story or a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a successful affiliate marketing business needs patience and a willingness to learn. But the good news is that you don't need any money up front, earning a 1 out of 5 rating in terms of the initial investment. When it comes to making $100 a week, affiliate marketing earns a 2 out of 5 rating. Once you have your content up and running, it becomes more passive. So if you're looking for a simple yet profitable way to make money online, affiliate marketing can be a fantastic choice. Now, you might be thinking that creating a digital tool needs exceptional coding skills, but let me share a secret with you. If coding isn't your forte, don't worry. The key is to identify a problem that needs solving and become the ideas person, the business brain behind the talent. Many skilled coders lack creativity and direction, so your role as the visionary can be super helpful. Creating a digital tool does take time and dedication. It's a journey that requires patience and effort. I'd rate it as a 5 out of 5 in terms of time commitment. Financially, building a digital tool has quite a few costs, so 3.5 out of 5. But partnering with a coder or attracting angel investors can help with some expenses. Making $100 per week, 1 out of 5, depends on pricing and customer base. With the right product, 20 paying customers at $20 a month can achieve this. So there's loads of opportunity to earn more considering the thriving market. Now, did you know that you might already have something that can earn you passive income? Many people overlook the fact that they own assets that can be rented out to generate extra money. Start by making a list of everything you own. Think beyond the obvious and consider items like storage space, a vehicle, camping equipment, camera gear, or even a spare room in your house. These assets have the potential to make you money while you're not using them. There are plenty of apps and websites that connect owners with potential renters. Depending on what you have to offer, you can explore platforms like Fat Llama, Turo, Airbnb, or even peer-to-peer lending platforms for renting out money. Renting out your assets doesn't require much time or effort. You simply need to take a few pictures and upload them to the appropriate app or website. The platform takes care of the rest, making the process hassle-free for you. So I would rate it 1 out of 5. The beauty of renting out your belongings is that you don't need a lot of money either. 1 out of 5. You can start with the things you already own, but the cost will change depending on if you want to buy items for renting purposes. Now, making $100 per week, 2 out of 5, is relatively easy if you have enough assets to rent out. Even renting out a driveway or a spare room in your house can bring in that extra income. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments which of these passive income ideas you're thinking of trying. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money online like a pro. See you next time.